August 2, 2025. Wala na yung bagyo, maaraw na. Yay, maaraw. Let's just have a quick look at the plants. There are so many things that I need to fix. So this area, I need to put the plants in here para sa next na bagyo. Sa next na bagyo. But wala, nasira ito. Oh no. Nalaglag lahat ng dahon niya. Actually, mas marami pang worse dun sa labas, sa kabila. Kasi ito, ang ganda pa rin niya. Ayan, so okay lang sila dito. Yung mga nandito, medyo may mga ilang nabulok. Matigas pa ito. So, salvageable siguro. Cubic frost gone. Almost, but there are babies still. So, that's okay. Ang tibay nito kahit ang pangit niya. And, so, this is still alive. I love it. Gone. Nahulog ito. Natanggal yung part niya doon, nandun. And, still alive. Alive. Lost its leaves. Still cute. Uy, buhay pa to. Pearl Brandenburg. Buhay pa yung mga Haworthia. Pero, no, lambot na ito. Ay, na-overwater sila. Wala na yung wala na yung variegated. Okay. I need to fix these things. Nanlambot ang string of, what is this? Watermelons? Wala na siya. Nagmumoist ang aking camera. Still alive. So, ito pala maganda kapag ang binili mo is yung mature na plant. Kaya niyang i-withstand ang extreme weather. And then, okay. Uy, may uod. May uod. Oops, alis dyan. Oops, nginuya-nguya ng something ang aeonium. Daming kagat. Sinong ngumuya sa'yo? Ayun. Snout weevil. Sorry. I need my gloves. Ang dami kong gagawin. Anyway, just a quick look of the plants. So, weeds. Okay. Other side. So, Mendoza. Naging lush si Mendoza. Nagaano yung aking lens. Nauuhaw ang bebe. Parcel. Kanino po? Kay Mark? Ayun. Wait lang. Kunin ko ang kanilang parcel. My lens is hazy. You will not be able to see anything. Pero ito green smile. Wala na siya. Wala na sila. Okay pa ba yung stem niya? Hindi na rin. Hindi niya masyadong makikita kasi blurred na yung camera. Maaraw kasi yung camera medyo may moist siguro sa loob or whatever. Ganun talaga dito sa Baguio. Okay, this one. Oh, ayan. Natumba na siya. Still okay, still okay, still okay, still okay, I guess. Anyway, medyo okay pa mga to. Yung iba pinasok ko sa loob and kailangan ko na rin ilabas at paarawan kasi nanghihina na sila sa loob. Basa kasi yung dahon nila tas biglang dadalhin sa loob. So, that's not good also. So, they need sunshine and dry air. Kailangan nilang mahanginan. Itong, Sedum clavatum. Oh, tinamaan yung, nanghina yung stem. Nag-rot ang stem. Okay, wet. Lola. Still okay. Babad. This is gone. This is still okay. Matibay ng hearts delight. What's that? String of hearts. Matibay. And then, itong freebie na, matibay din. Okay. Sino na nga ba ito? Ang pangalan nito? Luella. Okay pa siya. String of hearts. Grabe blurred. Sobrang blurred, wala na kayong makita. Anyway, string of hearts still okay. But paarawan natin siya. Dito ka. They all need sunshine. Oh no, ang camera talagang blurry na. They need to be repotted into a new soil. But you know what? I think mas maganda kung sunshine muna sila. Paarawan ko muna sila bago ko sila i-repot. Sana yung araw tuloy-tuloy. No more. Sana yung araw tuloy-tuloy. And this is the real disaster. Still alive. My ruby slippers. Wala, ang labo naman ng camera. You know what? Mamaya na ako mag-film, but here's an overview. Natumba ito. And the plants over there are also bulok na. But let's take a look later kasi labo ng camera. August 4. And I got so much to do. So much mess from the storm, the typhoon. And I need to bring out these plants that I bought inside because they're starting to etiolate and soak up some sunshine. Look at the sky, it's so blue. Blue. Oh, diba? And ang saya ko kasi although nag-rot ang succulents na iba, may mga natira pa rin naman. Nakalungkot lang at maraming nawala. But, diba, nag-survive pa rin ito. Interesting. Usually, madaling matigok na. Marami nang nawala. Gaya ng mga nandito. In-uproot ko yung mga nandito kasi hoping na magdadry sila, but lalong nabulok. But anyway, it's okay kasi talagang mushy na yung leaves. And mess. Nag-dry na yun. So ayan, nagda-dry na. Kailangan kong paarawan itong shelf dahil puro na molds and all. So, exciting. Exciting. I'll give you an update later. Girl's got a lot of energy. She wants to go out. But I have a lot of things to do. I cannot let her out. And now she's doing lots of zoomies. Sige, sira na ang mga upuan. Papapansin. Ouch. Oh, you stop na, stop. Shh. Candy. Ow. Gusto mo makipaglaro? Kawawa ka, wala kang kalaro. Yun. Anyway, I have so many things to do. Really, literally. Hay nako. Oh, there are molds everywhere because of the typhoon. Anyway, I'm gonna stop recording because everything is just nonsense. I'm just gonna keep rambling on. So the plan for today is to just clean up, buy some soil, and prepare my pots where I can put the plants in. I just bought a new set of plants, a new haul, to make me happy because some of the plants have suffered from the typhoon. Look at this one, for example. It lost lots of leaves and it's still doing okay, but it's lost the leaves. Same with this one. Hindi ko pa sila pwedeng paarawan like immediately. Just like the plants here, I'm gonna bring them outside slowly but still under the shade. Hindi pwedeng idirekta sa araw. They're gonna burn. And also, there's another typhoon, I think, or there's a low pressure area still near the country. But I checked on the weather forecast, and for the rest of the week, it's gonna be a little bit sunny compared to the past few weeks kung saan ang tindi ng typhoon at fog. But for now, it's just wala pang typhoon. Meron pero may low pressure area pero malayo. So I'm gonna take advantage of the weather while the sun is still out. I'm gonna try to plant a few plants, and you know what? I might not be able to film all that because because I'll just be wearing my pajamas and I don't want anyone to see, and I'll just give you an update after I'm done with everything. So yep, I'll keep you guys updated later. Stick around. Thank you. Bus na energy nila. Maghabulan. Anyway, mga damit ko kailangan kong ayusin.